$1 million. That was the bond set for all 7 of the teenagers arrested and charged in connection with the Gilbert Goons case. Last week, one of the 7 posted that bond and has been released from jail. For those unfamiliar with the Gilbert Goons case, it stems from the investigation of the death of 16-year-old Preston Lord at a Halloween party last year in Queen Creek. It's alleged that a group of teenagers brutally assaulted him and resulted in his death. What made the case interesting is it took almost 5 months for police to investigate and begin to make arrests. So Talon Vigil, not to be confused with Talon Lerner, who's known to have the parents that are wealthy gym owners, had court last Wednesday on April 10th. The court imposed a $1 million bond, and 2 days later, he was released from custody. Now, someone may not understand how a person who's charged with such a serious crime can be released under any circumstance. But it's important to remember that release conditions are not there to punish somebody. Any criminal defendant is presumed innocent, and really the primary purpose of release conditions is 1, to assure that person's appearance at future court proceedings, and 2, protect the public from future harm. To determine a person's release conditions, a court will consider a wide variety of factors. These can include the severity of the crime, whether the person poses a flight risk, or if they've got any sort of criminal history. Here in Arizona, the court can also impose any condition reasonably necessary to assure that person's appearance. So in the case of Mr. Vigil, not only did he have a $1 million bond, but the court also imposed electronic monitoring, which means he's got to wear one of those ankle bracelets. So how did Mr. Vigil get out? Well, either someone posted $1 million cash on his behalf, or 2, they used a bondsman who charges a 10% fee, so $100,000 with another $900,000 posted in collateral. But it's important to note, should he not show up for future court appearances, he can be arrested, his release can be revoked, and any bond posted can be forfeited to the state. If you have questions about this video or any other criminal matter, shoot me a text.